Alright, y'all, I'm about to show you the absolute easiest and fast way to resharpen your chainsaw after you dulled it up and whatnot. Yeah, you already know. So, what you'll need is cordless angle grinder or corded angle grinder, doesn't matter. Alright? And just trust me. So, what you want to do is, when you come in, you don't want to hit the ride. You don't want to knock that all the way off. You will eventually want to take them down a little bit, but just a little bit. See, these ones I've hit a little. You don't want to do that. You don't want to touch them at all. You want them to be still standing tall, right? So, I'm just going to take this and do a little demonstration. What you're going to do is you're going to slip that in at the right angle, the same angle that you sharpen it, right? So you got to hold this all at a different angle. But you want to be consistent. And there's nothing much to it. Alright, and even though they still might have a little bit of a burr on the top, this thing is sharper than you can buy it from the store. Sharp. I'm talking this thing, she'll eat. Oh, she'll eat. Look at that. Oof.